It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight.
Hey there baldies, it's your girl Cindy. Welcome back to another video. If you want to go from this to this, stay tuned. 4 years ago I made the video with this ponytail right here, and today I feel like it's only right to do an updated video, so stay tuned and see where that leaves us. So we are starting with dirty hair because I did my hair a few days ago. It has a lot of buildup in it, but I have to go out. So we're gonna do it with dirty hair again because that's what I did last time. Anyways, let's get started. A few things have changed, guys, in regards to my hair videos. First off, I got inches now, don't play. Next, I changed my hair care routine, and your girl got heat damage. Talk about it. I want to cut my hair, but my friend says no, so can't do it. Anyways, I want a very defined part, so we're gonna try and do our best because I don't have a mirror in front of me, y'all. The camera is my mirror. Do a 3-part, I would say. Your hair will be more laid in a sense. Don't leave too much in the front as well, but make sure it's enough. So this is my part that I left in the front, so we're gonna take that out and braid it. It don't need to be extra nice. We're gonna take the next part, do the same thing. Okay, this is the next part. I feel like I took too much again, and remove as much as you need. Okay, so I think we're good here. We're gonna braid it. Okay, so now we're starting with the back. You're gonna make a ponytail with the back part. This is the back. It's a lot. If you cannot do a ponytail with the back as big as it is, separate it into 2, but I'm gonna do just 1 because I'm in a hurry. Okay, even though the hair is dirty and there's a lot of products, I want to add just a little bit of hydration. This, I see it more as a detangler than cream, but I'm not gonna put a lot, being that there's already a lot of products in my hair, but just a little tiny little bit. Yeah, see, this Creole Essence, don't play. That's my bae right there. Like, I love this product so much.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really? All right, like I said, y'all, some stuff stays the same. We need water, we need hydration. So we're gonna spray a little bit of water in the hair. Ooh. Damn. But anyways, spray a little bit of water, not too much, because if it is too much, the gel is not gonna stick properly. At least for me, that's what happens when I put too much water. So don't put too much water. Okay, that's enough. Again, not too much on the curl cream, but just enough. Okay, so the hair is more detangled. It's easier to manage now. We're gonna grab our gel. So with gel, I put as much as necessary, but be mindful of buildup. So do it at your own risk, babes. When we want sleek, we gel it up. If you have one of those, grab it. We're gonna keep brushing. Make sure you start from the roof so that you could get that nice sleek ponytail. If you feel like your hair needs more detangled, detangle it, babes. And when you feel like it's flat, grab your scrunchie. I'm using a satin one because apparently they're better for your hair. So learn from me. Right now, I finished with the back, and let me show you guys how it looks. This is the back. Hopefully you're seeing it properly. I don't know because I don't have eye in the back of my head, but yeah, hopefully it's looking nice. Now, so I wanted to be one of those people who's gonna tell you don't make it too tight so you're not putting a lot of tension on your head, but if you want sleekness, you gotta tighten it up just a little bit. I use these are not as bad because I feel like my bun is tight, but it don't feel like all of my brain cells are ready to just, you know. So use these and you're not gonna feel it, guaranteed. Okay, now we're gonna perfect the middle part a little bit more, and then we're gonna repeat the same process by slicking it down, adding the cream, the gel, little water, and then sleek. So let's go. Now I feel like the part is more finesse. We're gonna detangle the hair, a little bit of cream, especially in the ends because they're going under the ponytail, some water, and we're gonna start gelling. And when you're brushing, guys, make sure you're brushing in the direction that you want the hair to lay in. Another thing that is updated about this hairstyle is the fact that I am now an edge control girly when it comes down to the bun, because the front part, if you really need to slick it down, babes, you need that edge control. Yes, the gel is gonna do the part, but if you have rough hair, the gel sometimes does not help. It'll help in the process of you doing it, but soon as like you tie up the bun, it'll go back to being puffy. This is your bestie. Look at it, buy it, do whatever you want. It doesn't have to be that specific one, but you need an edge control. I've heard of this one called Baskin Ladder that is viral on TikTok. Try it. Another thing I advise to do when you get there, always do this because there's always some piece of hair sticking onto your ear. Very cutesy. Make sense? Now, where's the hair? Okay, so we're gonna fluff it out and pour some water and some curling cream. Not too much because I don't like the wet look. I would have to wait for it to dry. I need it to be puffy for the outfit that I'm about to wear, so yeah. So we're gonna take the ends because I need the ends to be curlier than the other part. A little more cream, and we're gonna brush it through because I want the ends to be like super curly. Ooh, like this. You see how juicy this one is? Yeah, juicy like this one. That's what we need. Come on, give me that juice. Okay, so now we are going to do the same thing. You see those little combs? You're gonna put that on here, insert it. Once you do, tighten the string, push this down, and then insert a little what do you call those? I know the name in Creole, I don't know it in English. So what do you call it? It's called ipping. How do you say it in English? Bobby pin. Oh my god, damn. But anyways, just insert it through the little string over here like this, and then after you wrap it around your hair, you just insert this. Boom. So let's put that into practice. I'm going, and make sure you wrap that around your hair. Then strings, what do we do with the string? We pull. So pull. What do we do with this? Push That's push or pull. Don't play with me. English is not my first language. Anyways, tighten. Yeah, this not too tight. I like this. Yo, get into the satin crunchies. I usually, when I do this hairstyle, I be having like a really bad headache. Also, don't do this too tight. It's really not worth it. Just like carelessly wrap it around, honestly. And when you do, always make sure that this bobby pin goes under, not on top, because there's that little thing over there, the little flap. I'm sure you can see it. We don't want that. So we're gonna put that all the way at the bottom. Okay, it's still not tight and I love it. Okay, so this is what the hair is giving right now. Obviously I'm gonna try to fluff it out more because I want that puffy look with the outfit that I'm doing. But I just gotta do my edges, fix the face, and give you the final look because I love this. Because who gonna check me? Who gonna check me? I'm doing too much, y'all, but this is cute. This is cute. Anyways, I'm running late. Let me go get ready. See you soon, Pookie.
It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been sober. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah. Girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah. Cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait?
Alright, y'all, this is pretty much how the hair and makeup looks. I don't like my makeup, but we gonna have to make it do what it do. I also did my makeup, which I don't like, but that's beside the point. And here is your updated ponytail video. So if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. See you on my next one, baldies. Don't play. You know this bun eats down. I'm doing too much. Bye.
See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I dey listen, babe, you're the one that I miss.